In the depths of the Bermuda Triangle, a breakthrough discovery has just been made. An underwater drone descended into the dark abyss, its cameras capturing the eerie landscape of the ocean floor. With that in mind, here are terrifying discoveries newly made near Bermuda. Number 17. The Lusca Sea Monster. Deep within blue holes of the Bermuda Triangle, drones captured shadows of massive unidentified creatures. Could this be the Lusca, the shark-octopus hybrid of local legend? Sonar findings in the Bermuda Triangle's enigmatic blue holes suggest something otherworldly may lurk within. These underwater sinkholes, plunging hundreds of feet into the earth, have long been whispered about as the domain of the Lusca, a monstrous hybrid of shark and octopus. Recently, a drone captured chilling footage of a massive shadowy creature, its elongated limbs stirring the water into a frenzy. The size of the beast, potentially over 75 feet, defies comprehension. Some locals believe the Lusca is responsible for the mysterious disappearances of divers and even small boats. Skeptics argue that the footage could depict giant squids or elusive groupers, but the uncanny movements hint at something far more predatory. Scientists also noted strange turbulence in the blue holes, chaotic swirls as though the water was alive. Could these anomalies result from sudden shifts in temperature and currents, or is the Lusca making its presence known? Adding to the mystery, legends claim the blue holes are ancient entryways to vast underwater caverns. Whether real or myth, the Lusca and its lair remain one of the Triangle's most spine-tingling mysteries, luring thrill-seekers and cryptozoologists alike. Number 16. Pulsating lights. In the Bermuda Triangle, strange pulsating lights have been observed emanating from the seafloor, leaving witnesses stunned and sparking wild theories. These rhythmic lights, glowing beneath the surface, have led to speculation about unknown energy sources, or even alien beacons hidden deep in the ocean. Similar sightings have been reported in Lake Baikal, Russia, where fishermen witnessed eerie blue-green lights glowing just below the surface. Locals have long believed that something mysterious lurks in the waters of both places, with some even suggesting that extraterrestrial beings could be using these locations as hidden bases. The glowing lights in the Bermuda Triangle seem to remain steady, unaffected by the ripples on the surface, further adding to the enigma. Experts have ruled out known natural or man-made sources, leaving many to wonder if they're connected to an undiscovered phenomenon, perhaps something otherworldly. With its reputation for bizarre occurrences, the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate imaginations, while Lake Baikal, with its deep, untouched waters, also harbors unexplained phenomena. Could these pulsating lights be part of a larger mystery that continues to evade our understanding? Whatever the cause, they deepen the intrigue surrounding these strange, mysterious waters, offering more questions than answers. Number 15. Bermuda's mystical caves. Bermuda isn't just known for its beaches and the Bermuda Triangle. It also hides a series of mystical caves that captivate explorers and adventurers alike. Among the most famous are the Crystal Caves, discovered in 1907. These caves are filled with shimmering translucent stalactites and stalagmites that glow under the light of torches, making the underground chambers seem like a hidden realm. But it's not just their beauty that draws people in, it's the mystery surrounding them. Some locals believe these caves were used by pirates to hide treasures, and there's even rumor that some treasures are still waiting to be found. But the intrigue doesn't stop at treasure. These caves are steeped in tales of strange occurrences. Some say they are portals to other worlds, or that they hold secrets of an ancient civilization that once inhabited the island. The caves are also linked to the Bermuda Triangle. Some believe the magnetic anomalies in the area affect the caves, warping time and space. Explorers who ventured into Bermuda's deeper caves have reported unusual experiences, from feeling like they were being watched to discovering unexplained symbols carved into the walls. Could these caves be more than just geological formations? The mystery continues to entice anyone brave enough to seek the truth. Number 14. Time warp in the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle has long been a source of eerie mysteries, and one of the most intriguing theories is the possibility of a time warp. Could this stretch of ocean actually manipulate the fabric of time itself? Witnesses report bizarre occurrences, such as planes and ships disappearing only to reappear later with no clear explanation for the time lost. Some even claim to have traveled back in time. One of the most notable incidents occurred in 1955 when the Marine Sulphur Queen vanished without a trace. Some suggest the crew may have been trapped in a time loop, passing through a rift in time. Theories range from electromagnetic anomalies disrupting time and space to the idea that the Bermuda Triangle might be a portal to different timelines. The mysteries don't stop there. During a routine flight in 1945, Flight 19 disappeared, but some pilots claim to have seen a shadow of another aircraft when the flight vanished. Could the Bermuda Triangle be like a cosmic time machine, pulling travelers into different eras, or is it a strange collision of science and the unknown? In 1970, pilot Bruce Jernon experienced a reality-bending event in the triangle. Caught in a strange storm, his instruments failed, and he entered a glowing vortex that distorted time. Distances vanished in minutes, and when Jernon emerged, he found himself 100 miles from where he should have been, but only 45 minutes had passed. Is time itself bending within the Bermuda Triangle? Jernon's tale deepens the mystery, leaving us to wonder if a time warp truly lurks in these waters. Number 13. Vanishing sands. In the heart of the Bermuda Triangle, an eerie phenomenon known as the vanishing sands has puzzled explorers and researchers for years. Recorded by drones, these mysterious moving sands seem to devour anything in their path: wreckage, debris, and even ship remnants. As the grains flow across the ocean floor, they appear to swallow entire structures, leaving no trace behind. Some scientists believe the strange event is the result of underwater currents swirling with an almost unnatural force. However, others propose a more outlandish theory, that the sands are tied to the Bermuda Triangle's long-standing reputation for harboring hidden portals. Could these mysterious sands be the result of some unknown interdimensional force, pulling objects into another realm? One of the most striking features of the vanishing sands is their relentless movement. As sand is swept away into these ever-changing whirlpools, the landscape beneath the waves becomes a shifting, unpredictable terrain. There's no explanation for why these sands seem to act as a form of quicksand, consuming everything in their path. This ongoing mystery only adds to the allure of the Bermuda Triangle. While some believe it's simply nature's unpredictable currents at play, others can't shake the feeling that there is something much deeper, something more otherworldly at work. As new footage continues to emerge, one thing is clear: the vanishing sands are only deepening the mystery of this enigmatic, perilous region. The question remains, what exactly are they hiding? Number 12. Glowing algae patches. Deep within the ocean's darkest trenches, where sunlight fails to penetrate, bioluminescent life thrives in eerie glowing splendor. The Milwaukee Deep, a place of crushing pressure and utter darkness, is home to creatures that produce their own light, creating a spectacle that could easily be mistaken for something otherworldly. These glowing organisms, ranging from tiny plankton to larger jellyfish, emit light as a result of biochemical reactions in their bodies. The phenomenon of bioluminescence is more common in the deep ocean than we might think, but could these glowing creatures be more than just nature's ingenuity? Some have speculated that the lights seen in these deep trenches resemble what we might expect from alien technology. After all, glowing algae patches like the ones found in the depths of the Puerto Rico Trench often appear like unnatural pulsating signals in the water, much like the mysterious lights reported in some of the world's most enigmatic regions, such as the Bermuda Triangle. Are these glowing organisms a natural wonder, or could they be tied to something more mysterious, like an alien presence hidden deep beneath the waves? While the answer remains unclear, the glowing lights in the darkest corners of the ocean are a reminder that we may only be scratching the surface of the bizarre and the unknown. Could these bioluminescent organisms be giving us a glimpse into an alien world right here on Earth? The mystery continues to glow, lighting up the depths of both our imagination and the ocean itself. Number 11. Hidden USO base beneath the waves. A recent dive into the Bermuda Triangle has shaken the scientific world with an eerie revelation. Beneath the waves lies a series of symmetrical, grid-like patterns that stretch for miles across the ocean floor. These structures defy natural explanations, resembling a submerged facility with unnerving precision. Could this be an ancient civilization's creation or something more enigmatic? A USO, unidentified submerged object, base used by extraterrestrials? The formation's resemblance to modern architectural layouts has sparked wild speculation. Advanced sonar scans revealed peculiar electromagnetic activity, strong enough to disrupt the drone's navigation and communication systems. Skeptics argue these could be geological formations like basalt columns or fissures from tectonic activity. However, the clean lines and geometric shapes defy such simple answers. Others wonder if this is evidence of Atlantis or an ancient forgotten society that thrived before recorded history. Adding fuel to the mystery, no official explanation has been released, leaving room for wild theories about secret government projects or alien monitoring stations. What secrets do these formations hold, buried under sediment and secrecy? The only certainty is that this discovery adds yet another layer to the Bermuda Triangle's baffling legend. Number 10. Dropner waves. Rogue waves in the Bermuda Triangle are a mysterious and dangerous phenomenon, adding to the eerie reputation of this infamous area. Known for its unpredictable and volatile weather patterns, the Bermuda Triangle has long been associated with sudden disappearances of ships and aircraft, and rogue waves could very well be a contributing factor. These colossal waves, which can rise as high as 100 feet or more, often appear without warning. In the Bermuda Triangle, rogue waves are formed when a combination of factors like powerful ocean currents, strong winds, and irregular seafloor topography collide. These elements cause the energy of smaller waves to converge into a massive wave, catching even experienced sailors off guard. What makes rogue waves in the Bermuda Triangle particularly dangerous is their ability to appear unexpectedly in otherwise calm seas. With little to no time to react, ships and boats can be engulfed, often without a trace. The area's deep waters, especially in regions like the Milwaukee Deep, only amplify the destructive potential of these waves. Though rogue waves were once thought to be just maritime myths, recent studies and reports have confirmed their existence in the Bermuda Triangle, adding another layer of mystery to this already enigmatic region. Whether caused by natural ocean dynamics or some unseen force, these waves continue to contribute to the Bermuda Triangle's ominous allure. And as we surface from these enigmatic depths, we leave behind a seabed brimming with enigmas, each whispering tales of the unknown that ripple through the Bermuda Triangle's watery domain. Number 9. Milwaukee Deep. The Milwaukee Deep, the deepest part of the Puerto Rico Trench, sits quietly at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, holding secrets that have long intrigued scientists and adventurers alike. At a staggering depth of over 27,000 feet, 8,200 meters, it's the deepest point in the Atlantic, but it's also one of the least explored regions of the ocean. Located to the north of the Caribbean, the Milwaukee Deep remains a mystery, both scientifically and mystically. Some researchers speculate that this dark abyss might hold undiscovered marine species or relics from ancient civilizations lost to time. The Mariana Trench in the Pacific may get more attention, but the Milwaukee Deep holds its own allure, with its crushing depths, icy waters, and isolation creating a place that feels like the edge of the world. Many who've dared venture into its depths have reported bizarre phenomena, including unexpected changes in sonar readings and magnetic anomalies, fueling rumors of hidden structures, or even extraterrestrial activity lurking beneath the waves. Could the Milwaukee Deep be another Bermuda Triangle-like enigma? The possibility of ancient secrets or alien technology, hidden in its depths, makes this dark part of the ocean one of the most intriguing places left on Earth. The mysteries are vast, and the deep, dark waters seem to hold an endless supply of secrets. Number 8. Cookie cutter sharks. Beneath the waters of Bermuda, where the Bermuda Triangle mysteries swirl, lurks one of the ocean's most stealthy predators, the cookie cutter shark. Despite their small size, usually around 20 inches, these little sharks are masters of a creepy yet fascinating feeding method. Named for the cookie-shaped bites they leave behind, cookie cutter sharks latch onto their prey, anything from large fish to sea turtles, and use their serrated teeth to carve out neat, circular plugs of flesh. These nocturnal hunters prefer the dark depths, prowling Bermuda's waters under the cover of night. But what's really eerie is how they leave behind the distinct round wounds, often without killing their prey. Larger marine creatures might swim off with a painful reminder of their encounter, but the cookie cutter shark's meal is still served. While attacks on humans are rare and usually more curious than aggressive, cookie cutter sharks have been known to bite swimmers too. They might be small, but they pack a punch with their unique feeding technique. So the next time you think about the Bermuda Triangle's strange creatures, don't forget the cookie cutter sharks. Silent, small, and with a bite that's far bigger than you'd expect. Number 7. Methane gas explosions. An underwater drone recently plunged into the mysterious depths of the Bermuda Triangle and uncovered an astonishing sight: vast fields of methane gas hydrates, known as fire ice. These crystalline structures, formed when methane gas is trapped within water molecules, shimmer eerily on the ocean floor, but their beauty hides a terrifying potential. The Bermuda Triangle is notorious for unexplained disappearances, and the discovery of methane hydrates could explain a lot. When the ice-like formations destabilize, often due to shifts in ocean currents or changes in temperature, they release large methane plumes. The sudden release of gas can reduce the water's density, creating dangerous conditions. If the seafloor cracks or the ice is disturbed, a huge release of gas can occur, sending a surge of heated water to the surface. Since methane is highly flammable, a plane flying overhead could ignite an explosion powerful enough to tear it apart. Ships could sink into the gas-filled water, and aircraft could lose lift in the methane-charged air. Ships could also fall victim to these explosive bursts. When methane bursts underwater, it creates a massive sinkhole, like a toilet flushing with extreme force, pulling anything above into the abyss, never to be seen again. The drone's footage revealed a seabed of hidden, volatile danger beneath the calm surface. Could the Bermuda Triangle's eerie reputation be tied to the instability of fire ice and the rapid, unpredictable forces of ocean currents? This discovery adds a chilling scientific layer to a decades-old mystery. Now, what if there's more to the Bermuda Triangle than just methane? Stay tuned as we explore the strange creatures that call these waters home, including the terrifying Lusca sea monster lurking just below the surface. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the latest dive into the mysteries of the unknown. Number 6. The submerged pyramids of Bermuda. Recent sonar readings have unveiled an astonishing find beneath the Bermuda Triangle, a pair of colossal pyramid-like structures resting on the ocean floor. These underwater pyramids, estimated to be larger than Egypt's Great Pyramid of Giza, are made of a smooth, glass-like material. Their sharp angles and precise alignment suggest they are not natural formations but the work of advanced engineering. Some theorists speculate that these pyramids could be remnants of Atlantis, evidence of a long-lost civilization that harnessed energy in ways we cannot yet understand. Others believe they may have been built by extraterrestrials, serving as beacons or energy hubs. Adding to the mystery, divers and submersibles attempting to approach these structures have reported unusual electromagnetic disturbances. Instruments malfunction and unexplained light phenomena have been observed near the site. Now it's time for today's topic. The crew of the research vessel Horizon Star, en route from Miami to Bermuda, encountered something that defied every logical explanation. It was early morning when radar showed an unusual mass drifting just below the surface, too dense to be an iceberg, too slow to be a whale. As the ship approached, the ocean suddenly stilled. From the deck, sailors noticed a faint, circular ripple forming beside the hull. Moments later, a massive eye the size of a lifeboat appeared beneath the waves, staring directly at them. Chief Engineer Liam Porter managed to capture the chilling sight on the ship's security camera, an eye embedded in what looked like the head of a prehistoric shark or marine reptile. The footage shows the creature moving beneath the vessel before disappearing into the depths without a trace. Experts from the Bermuda Oceanographic Institute who analyzed the clips stated the creature's proportions were unlike any known shark, suggesting either a yet undiscovered species or an elaborate optical illusion caused by water refraction. The video quickly spread across Reddit and YouTube, sparking debates worldwide. Some insist it's CGI or an underwater shadow trick. Others claim it's proof that something ancient still lurks beneath the Bermuda waters. What do you believe? Number 5. Ship Graveyard. The Bermuda Triangle is home to a mysterious ship graveyard, an area where numerous vessels have been lost over the centuries, some under unexplained circumstances. Located off the coast of Florida, the graveyard is situated in the Sargasso Sea, a region known for its eerie reputation and countless shipwrecks. Sonar scans have revealed an unsettling density of wrecks, some of which do not appear in historical records, adding to the sense of intrigue surrounding the area. The cause of these wrecks remains unclear, though theories abound. One such theory suggests that sudden shifts in the seafloor, often attributed to methane gas eruptions, could be responsible for creating violent waves strong enough to sink ships. Others believe that unpredictable weather patterns and magnetic anomalies in the Bermuda Triangle could have played a role in these disappearances, with compass malfunctions and violent storms often reported by sailors. In addition to shipwrecks, remnants of aircraft have also been discovered in the area, adding to the Bermuda Triangle's mystique. Despite advances in technology and research, many of the wrecks remain unexplained, with their stories lost to the depths forever, adding to the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle ship graveyard. Number 4. Plane wreckage. The Bermuda Triangle isn't just home to shipwrecks. It's also the final resting place of several planes whose disappearances have baffled investigators for decades. Take Flight 19, for example. In 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers vanished during a training mission. Despite an extensive search, no wreckage was ever found. Was it a navigational error or something stranger? Then there's the Douglas DC-3 in 1948, which disappeared without a trace during a flight from Puerto Rico to Miami. No distress signals were sent, just a sudden vanishing act over the vast Atlantic. And don't forget Star Tiger and Star Ariel, 2 British planes that disappeared a year apart, both over the Bermuda Triangle, with no wreckage or distress calls. As if that weren't mysterious enough, in 1996, TWA Flight 800 exploded over the Atlantic near Long Island, its cause ultimately determined to be a fuel tank explosion. But the suddenness and the eerie location still keep the Bermuda Triangle in the conversation. The peculiarities surrounding these incidents remain as baffling as ever, with many refusing to accept simple explanations. Number 3. Magnetic anomalies. Deep beneath the Bermuda Triangle, a strange magnetic disturbance has baffled scientists, suggesting that the region's legendary navigation failures might not be mere coincidence. Researchers have long suspected that the area's high concentration of magnetite, a magnetic mineral, could be disrupting the Earth's natural magnetic field. In recent years, expeditions using deep-sea magnetic mapping drones have revealed swirling magnetic eddies that seem to pulse and shift without warning. Pilots have reported compass needles spinning wildly before suddenly realigning miles off course, as if pulled by an unseen force. Some vessels' onboard electronics have failed entirely within these magnetic hot zones, only to function again once they've cleared the region. One notable case involved the research vessel Endeavour, which recorded fluctuations so strong they caused the ship's metal framework to hum audibly, a phenomenon scientists still can't explain. Even more unsettling, these disturbances appear to form patterns that drift with the shifting magnetic poles, hinting at a connection between the triangle and larger global magnetic movements. Data collected by satellite arrays show the region as a hotspot for geomagnetic turbulence, with readings spiking far beyond normal variation. For those studying the Earth's inner core dynamics, the triangle may be acting as a natural amplifier, where magnetic forces deep within the planet make their presence felt most violently at the surface. This interference can wreak havoc on navigational systems, causing ships and aircraft to lose their way, seemingly vanishing into thin air. But what if the Bermuda Triangle's magnetic anomalies are part of a larger global shift? Geophysicist Dr. Justin Revenaugh reveals that the Earth's magnetic north is moving rapidly, about 35 miles per year, shifting toward Russia. As the magnetic field drifts, it could exacerbate disturbances in the triangle, contributing to the region's eerie reputation. The implications of this shift go beyond just navigation. The Earth's magnetic field protects us from solar radiation and space weather. If it weakens, as some scientists fear, the consequences could be catastrophic, with potential disruptions to communication systems, power grids, and air travel. While the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries may be linked to these magnetic shifts, this phenomenon is far from isolated. The world could soon face a new era where navigating the skies and seas becomes a daunting challenge if we're not prepared for the magnetic storm ahead. Number 2. UFO wreckage. Shards of metallic objects discovered embedded in coral at the bottom of the Bermuda Triangle have ignited speculation that an extraterrestrial crash site might lie beneath the waves. These mysterious metallic fragments, resembling wreckage rather than anything terrestrial, have baffled researchers who were initially drawn to the region's many unexplained disappearances. Divers who retrieved the first samples reported that the fragments emitted faint magnetic readings and resisted corrosion despite decades, or perhaps centuries, underwater. Under UV light, the pieces shimmered with an iridescent glow, hinting at a composite material unknown to modern engineering. Initial analysis revealed traces of rare isotopes not typically found on Earth, prompting whispers of otherworldly origins. The discovery site itself was equally perplexing. The coral formations surrounding the debris appeared warped, as if reshaped by an intense burst of heat. Some of the shards were fused seamlessly into the reef, suggesting that whatever had fallen struck with enormous force. When the team mapped the area, they found a crater-like depression nearly 300 feet across, too symmetrical to be dismissed as natural. The more scientists examined it, the more it seemed like a story written in secrecy at the bottom of the sea, one that defied conventional logic. Could the Bermuda Triangle's strange occurrences be tied to something beyond our world? The pieces of metal appear to be of an unknown origin, raising the possibility that they could be remnants of a UFO that crashed long ago. While traditional explanations lean on natural phenomena or human error, this discovery adds an eerie, otherworldly layer to the mystery. The idea that an alien spacecraft may have met its end in this part of the ocean stirs up thrilling yet unsettling thoughts. As researchers continue to study these artifacts, they wonder if this could be the key to unlocking not only the Bermuda Triangle's secrets, but also our understanding of extraterrestrial life. Could it be that a UFO wreckage site beneath the waves holds answers to the Bermuda Triangle's strange disappearances? Or is this just another curious piece of the ongoing enigma? The thought of alien technology hidden deep underwater opens up endless possibilities for discovery. Time and further investigation may one day tell the full story. Number 1. Submerged megaliths. Almost 500 feet below the surface, an underwater anomaly has revealed what appears to be a man-made structure. The limestone is perfectly cut with straight, even edges, hinting at a craftsmanship far too precise to be a natural formation. Divers who first descended upon the site described a haunting stillness, an eerie silence broken only by the hum of their equipment and the faint crackle of underwater currents. Floodlights illuminated vast blocks arranged in symmetrical patterns, forming what seemed like stairways, corridors, and platforms buried in time. The formation stretched farther than expected, leading explorers to speculate it was once part of a much larger complex, now swallowed by the sea. When sonar scans were conducted, they revealed geometric alignments eerily similar to known ancient sites like Machu Picchu and Yonaguni. Some experts proposed that the structure could be a remnant of a civilization predating recorded history, while skeptics insisted it was nothing more than an elaborate illusion created by erosion. Yet, small carvings and tool-like grooves spotted along the rock face defied that explanation, suggesting deliberate design. The deeper divers went, the more intricate the formations became: columns, flat terraces, and smooth passageways that looked almost architectural in nature. It was as if the ocean had frozen time itself, preserving the ghost of a world humanity had long forgotten. Could this be part of an ancient underwater city long lost to the depths? Or perhaps it's ballast stone from a shipwreck left behind by a vessel lost to the triangle's unpredictable forces? The mystery grows deeper with every question. As theories swirl, far across the ocean near Japan's Ryukyu Islands, some believe they have uncovered evidence of another lost civilization with structures that share uncanny similarities. These mysterious formations, which also show signs of being meticulously crafted, further fuel speculation about an ancient global network of civilizations. Are these scattered remnants part of an ancient forgotten world, or just the result of nature's bizarre forces? With each new discovery, the Bermuda Triangle becomes even more enigmatic as it continues to guard its secrets. These revelations only intensify the allure, making us wonder what other hidden wonders lie beneath its mysterious, ever-shifting waters. What secrets do you believe are still hidden beneath these waves? Share your thoughts and theories below. And if our journey into the deep has sparked your curiosity for more mysteries, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join us on future expeditions by ringing the bell icon so you never miss a discovery that could reshape history as we know it. Stay curious, explorers, and until our next adventure, keep wondering about the secrets lurking in the world's hidden corners.